Good morning. So, real life home vlog coming right at you. Roll credits.
AndyJimVlogs, we're living loud. Family time, we're Disney bound. Daily laughs and memories grow. Every vlog's a brand new show.
It is Monday. It is the bank holiday Monday. So, off work doing what you really think. You would think, actually, that what we're doing is fun stuff. But actually, I'm going to keep it real today. I'm going to tell you exactly the kind of things we are going to be doing and what we've been up to. So follow along our day and I'll show you everything we've been up to. This morning, been up at 6:30, folded the laundry, picked the clothes up, done the ironing, done the food shop. Follow along the day and you'll see how real life plays out. Stay tuned. So it's all so exciting stuff. Washing's on the line. Yeah. Let's go and get the shopping. So we're going now out. This is the highlight of my day. Leaving the house with her.
Oh, I'm not.
She's on the phone to her mother. So we are now going to collect the shopping. It's exciting stuff. So we're going to go out now and get the shopping. I said follow along my day because I thought, well, just do an occasional home vlog type thing. But as you've seen, nothing happens. Apart from the washing machine flooded earlier, and I was too busy mopping up water off the floor to film it. But anyway, so I think what it was, I overloaded the washing machine, and something was stuck in the door, and soap suds and everything piddled out all over the floor. Anyway, so I sorted that. So, as I mentioned, on this occasional rubbish vlog, headed off to collect the shopping, the click and collect from Sainsbury's, because it's all exciting stuff in it. So this is quite hard holding this, Kate.
It's heavy.
It is actually. It's quite I don't know. It's quite awkward. Now the lens isn't quite very long. It's not very wide. But there we go. So we are off to Sainsbury's to collect our click and collect shopping, because that is the real life behind the camera. So I had this, as I mentioned earlier, I had this idea with Nick where we were going to say what happens on behind the scenes, and it's all right, very good watching the vlogs where, we do this and we go there and we have this exciting stuff, but what actually happens behind the scenes. So as you can see, my chauffeur is driving me to the supermarket. I did offer to drive, but she wanted to drive because I think you need fuel, don't you? Yeah. And so let's go and get the shopping, and then maybe something exciting will happen on the way home, like we'll see a dog in the road or something, or something. What's going to happen? What's exciting?
What's exciting?
Yeah. Nothing. Obviously, nothing exciting. Right. You're right. It's actually quite heavy to hold with the thing on now. I think it's probably better without it.
Yeah, just hope we don't see a speed camera van.
Yes, let's hope we don't see the speed camera van, because Kate's driving on borrowed time nowadays. She's done the speed awareness course. I think the internet should know. Yeah, as exciting as it is, stopping for diesel now, because what more life's chores do you have to do? Kate's out there filling up now, and then we'll get the shopping. Right, so that's all that shopping done. So believe it or not, that was £196 worth of shopping for a family of 5 for a week. Do you reckon that was 200 quid's worth, Kate?
No.
Don't look it, does it? I like the cost of living, honestly, it's just so expensive nowadays. But yeah, so as you've seen, not a lot for a lot of money. But yeah, let's have a look, see what I bought when I get back. We had a couple of substitutions. We ordered lemon squash cordial and they sent lime cordial, so I sent that back. And there was like a microwave spaghetti bolognese or something, but
No, that was just ordered in there.
oh, ordered in error. Oh well. Right, let's get on back now. Let's go and cook some dinner. Well, I hope you enjoyed that exciting cooking montage. So we had that chilli sauce on some flatbreads. It was really nice. Bit of salad, as you saw. And then the ice cream man came round. So I got this ice cream here, which was really, really nice. It was Kinder Bueno, chocolate, Nutella, Maltesers. Very, very good. Right, so that is all now. I've just started watching Black Adam. I'm going to continue watching Black Adam and I'll update you afterwards. So, just finished Black Adam. Wicked film. It's now on Netflix, so it's really, really interesting. I think I've seen it before. Probably have. When I was just looking up on Wikipedia just a second ago about it, it was saying that you know, the mid-scene credits where Superman comes in and said, you know, Black Adam, we need to talk. Just such a good lead up to like another Black Adam film, but they didn't. They dropped the Rock, didn't they? And literally dropped the Rock, and he's not going to be in the next one. Anyway, sad times. Right, that concludes the daily occasional vlog. Hope you've enjoyed it. Remember, if you like it, like it. If you love it, subscribe. And tomorrow is another day.
Late night laughs or morning sun, family moments packed with fun, around the world or at our side. Hop aboard and join